Hi everyone, today we are going to IKEA Jebel. Probably everyone would have gone to the IKEA which is in Dubai Festival City, but this is a newly opened one which is in Jebel Ali, one of the largest IKEA in Dubai. Now we will drop in here to see how this new IKEA is. Come on with me, let's go inside. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel Lux Travel Vlogs for more such videos. Come, let's go in. So IKEA is providing you a locker facility in case you have some items which you don't want to carry along with you. Now we are in the first floor of IKEA. So as you all know, IKEA is a Swedish-based company that designs and sells ready-to-assemble furniture, kitchen appliances and other home accessories. Here what you see is a pillow which can be used for car or either sofa set. It's just for 5 dirhams. This is a dry waste paper basket which is available for 12 dirhams. Previously it was for 19 dirhams. Now they are giving it under part sale. So these are decorative candles which are available under sale for just 4 dirhams. Previously many would have bought this for 9 dirhams per piece, but now it is reduced to just 4 dirhams per piece. I am trying to include all the discounted items in this video so that you can plan yourself before visiting this IKEA. So what you see here is a nicely preset living room cum dining area. See how compactly they have arranged the dining table as well as that sofa set in a very limited available space. What is so special about IKEA is that when people come there without having any clue as to how they are going to revamp their home or set up a new home, they give you an awesome preset ideas. You can either directly use their setup or customize that based on your taste also. Next we are in the sofa section. There are different types of sofas available according to anyone's taste, made of leather, different types of cushions, recliner sofa, normal seating sofa. This is an idea which IKEA gives you when you have a crampy living room where you have very limited amount of space in your living room, where they set up a small study area, a sofa as well as a TV in one single space, and yet it looks very neat. Now this is my favorite coffee table. Previously it was available for 35 dirhams and now in the part sale it is available for 29 dirhams. It is available in various colors like pink, black, white, red, etc. Here is the most aesthetic living room setup where they have a glassy showcase. It was very beautiful. I liked it very much, and the price was around 1890 AED, I believe. Here is a very cute windowsill makeover. This is a multi USB socket adapter for 35 dirhams. Even when you have a pre-planned idea of what to buy in IKEA, everyone will probably end up buying a lot more than what they have actually planned because it's such a place. Everything is attractive here. This is a cushion cover like thing which is used to cover the bottom part, the leg of the furniture, so that it doesn't leave a scratch on the floor when you drag it here and there. This is an awesome balcony makeover. If you have a medium to huge size balcony, see the way they have decorated. A small hammock over there, lots of potted plants around the corners, some decor pieces, and they have a sitting area where you can have an excellent view, a coffee table, some lights to enhance the beauty. This is a cute kitchen setup where you have a small dining table within the kitchen and you have all glassy uh, store spaces above the kitchen area. It's a modular kitchen. You have the gas stove and a neat sink. This is a must have in everyone's home. This is a plastic bag holder. You can have one or two to avoid plastic bags being thrown here and there in your home. Here are the bathroom accessories. You have shower heads, shower head set, taps, and all sorts of bathroom accessories here. Wash basins, corner rack for storage inside the bathrooms. This is one of the awesome balcony makeover again for a medium sized balcony with a projector, and you have a nice cozy sofa with a big projector with potted plants on the corner. Now we are in the bed section. When you are clueless about what bed to select, there is a digital guide for you here. You can input your type of bed you want, your weight, the position of how you sleep, and it will guide you on what bed is perfectly suited for you. Accordingly, you can make the purchase. In case you want to try on by sitting on any bed, you have to use this paper napkin over the bed and then sit. Now that we have walked a lot, we are entering the restaurant which is inside IKEA. I'll show you a gist of what is available inside the restaurant. These are some of the hot food option available. Rest are all pre-packed and cold food. These glass containers for the kitchen are available for just 9 and 12 dirhams. Now we are entering the greenhouse of IKEA. This is the last section. Here they sell natural plants, both outdoor as well as indoor plants. We'll just take a look. That is all for the video today, guys. So please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching this vlog. Stay connected for more such vlogs. Thank you. Bye-bye.